good, DMB? Oh, wait a minute. Hit that sub button. Hit that sub button. Oh, there's a pill. Like, why they want to come when I want to do an intro? But anyways, y'all, what's good? How y'all doing? How is your day going? But by the time y'all gonna see the video I'm talking about before. But as y'all can see by the title, I'm about to prank D back because he gonna wake me up with some, my ex is coming, my side chick coming, so you gotta go. Okay, so I decided to get him back where he would not expect it, okay? And I haven't really seen this one. I'm doing the cat food like in breakfast prank. So like basically, I'm about to make like this tater tot egg, meat, cheese little thing for breakfast, right? And so, over. I'm trying to hurry up. These bees finna sting me out, but this lighting is A1. Okay, anyway, but I decided to. I'm gonna put some cat food in his food. Like, I'm making enough so I can make him a real plate. Hopefully, don't ruin his appetite. But basically, I'm just gonna put some cat food in there, like he's gonna eat it, but like he's not gonna know because I'm just gonna give it to him. And he's hungry. Me and him are hungry. We haven't ate anything. Excuse me. So this should be really funny. This should be really lit. So you guys get this a big thumbs up. Get this to 30 likes if you want me to keep coming with the bangers. Because yeah, we have not, Lil Bree, we tricksters and stuff, So anywho, with all that being said, let's just get into the video. Alright, y'all, I'm so sorry for like the different locations. This video is literally all over the place, and that's because I'm trying to figure out how I want to do this as I go. So I am still in there cooking. I'm making like this casserole. It's like new. It's just like tater tots and eggs, cheese, stuff like that. And so basically, I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna give him like a little sample. Like I'm gonna be like, babe, taste this for me. Like, tell me how I did. Little does he know, I'm gonna like put some in there. So hopefully he gets it. Hopefully he just don't keep eating it because he gonna be eating some cat food. And so I'm gonna show you guys what I've done so far. His grandmother is also at the living room watching TV, so that you're hearing in the background when I'm in there is the TV. So yeah, let's just gotta be extremely quiet because no one knows that I'm doing this. So this is gonna be really funny. Babe. Here. Try this to make sure it's done.
Say anything.
Eat it.
Wow, you.
Alright, you ever find out what the deal was with that fucking first boss in the corn?
Did you really eat it? Babe.
What you put? That fucking one boss that kept fucking one shot list?
What is it?
What you put in there?
What are you talking about? It's a tater tot.
Bro, I'm gonna throw up on you, yo. What I just put in my mouth?
Ew, spit all over me. Can you guess?
What was that? I ain't even want to look. I don't want to show.
Okay, this is a prank. It was a little short prank, but come here, let me show you. Come on, follow me. Follow me.
Dog food.
Cat food. Thumbnail.
That's nasty.
Was it nasty?
Huh?
He didn't know what it was.
Tater tot.
He took it. Oh, you seen that? I did that. I broke that over. You seen that? Okay, y'all. I'm back again. Sorry for the little clip again. But the food is actually done, and I just want to show y'all how it looks. It looks so... Look at that. But now, babe, talking about, he gonna, as soon as I hand him the plate, he like, cause he thinking I did something. No, I'm hungry.
Bro, y'all gonna let this girl put cat food in my mouth? Y'all ain't gonna tell me that she was finna put cat food in my mouth? Team, bro. I mean, D, where y'all at, man? Y'all gonna let this girl put straight cat food in my mouth? I was finna throw up, man. That's nasty. It looked like some puss or something in there. Well, not puss, but like, did you chop it up or something?
No, I just put a hole in there.
I must have bit into it then.
Ew! No, don't get on me with that cat food mouth.
That's nasty.
I'm glad my nose could not smell that. But yeah, if y'all like this video and want more pranks like this, cause you know, hashtag Team Bree is the best team in the game. But yeah, y'all, I'm finna tear this up because I'm hungry. And yeah, so.
Well, she kind of ruined my appetite.
Like, didn't I say, y'all? I please hope I don't ruin his appetite because I know him. I know how he is. And like, now he only want to eat his food. But he finna eat this. Go eat that shit. But yeah, I love y'all. He loves y'all. We'll see you in the next video.
That my water, that my bro, that my best. We ain't rapping like we step, we really step. 2 to 3 monkey nuts on Mac 11.